Hi guys, this is Zilla. I'm back again with another quick video, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Otterbox case for the OnePlus 6. Now I will leave a link in the description below. Use that link because if you're going to be buying a OnePlus 6, like maybe the red one that's coming up, you're going to want to buy some cases, accessories for your OnePlus 6. That link down below will give you £20 off, so you save a nice bit of wedge. If you're in the US, it'll give you $20 off. If you're in Europe, it'll give you €20 off. So anywhere in the world, use that referral link, get yourself some money off. Win for you, win for me, helps me out. Thanks guys. Now this case is $27.95. It comes in two colors, black and indigo blue as I call it, but they call it indigo way on the packaging, as you can see here. Now everyone knows Otterbox is the gold standard when it comes to mobile phone protection. It's a brand that's synonymous with mobile phones, sometimes with tablets, but mainly phones. Now classic packaging, as I said, take this out. It says on the inside here, protect, connect, share, protection, connection, partage, whatever that means. Get rid of that. Now this is a two-piece case. You can probably just about make out that sort of purpley, deep purple blue color. Now I have been using this case for a while, and I'll tell you off the bat, this does not work with the official OnePlus 6 glass screen protector. What I found was it kept lifting the corners up here and here, so it gave that halo effect. So if you've got the official OnePlus 6 glass screen protector, this case is probably a no-no. So it's a two-piece case, got a nice soft silicone lining on the inside, very soft and flexible. It's a nice quality one. It doesn't get lint attracted to it, as you can see. Got a bit of Otterbox branding stamped on the inside. You can see that deep purple color right there. And here is the hard polycarbonate shell. Not very flexible. But it does bend, but not a huge amount, as you can see. And again, on the back of this one, you've got a bit of Otterbox branding stamped into that. Now, the best way to apply it is put the silicone part on first, all the way around. So it works with the plastic screen protector that comes with the already pre-applied to your OnePlus 6. Then what I do is I try and fit the bottom in first. Now what I would do is open up these little doors that are part of the silicone part. It's a little bit fiddly, guys, to put on. Pull these through. If you try and put this case on as one piece, it is a nightmare. Very difficult. Sorry, I'm out of shot. There we go. Pull those through. Then push down. Run your fingers all the way around the case, make sure it's all nice and fitted and done. Not hugely difficult, but it's just a little bit irritating. So let's close these up and show you around the case. Now on the front, you can see there's plenty of lip protection for your screen, so you put it face down. You're not gonna have any issue damaging the screen, which is a good thing because you can't use the glass screen protector with it. On the top, you've got a nice cutout there for the microphone. On the side, power button, really nice, easy to press, slightly raised as well, so it's easy to find when it's in your pocket. Alert slider, easy to access, works no problem. As you can see, nice big cutout there for that. You do have to push this part a little bit when you're trying to get to it, as you can see there. Now the bottom, nice cutout for your speaker. There's a little door for your charging port, which is nice, keeps the dust out, keeps it safer. And you've got a little door here with a cutout for your microphone, which also opens when you want to use your headphone jack. So you don't have to open this if you're taking a phone call. You can leave it closed, which is a nice touch, I think. Volume rocker, very clicky, very nice. And you can see the surround around the camera, very heavily recessed, so the camera is not going to touch the table. It's going to be well protected. and there's a divot just here, so it's easy to get to the fingerprint sensor. Very easy to find, very easy. Doesn't impede on the performance or speed of it. And there's a matte black coating around the inside here, which gives it that protection, I guess is the word, from flash bouncing back in, so you won't have any problems with the flash blurring out your pictures or whatever. So that's a nice little detail there. As I said, there's the Otterbox branding right there. Now, it is a little bit on the expensive side, this one. It's quite bulky, quite chunky, but it is very, very protective. It's one of my favorite cases for the OnePlus 6, and it is made and only sold for OnePlus for their phones. It's hard to find this anywhere else to buy it from. See how the silicone nicely meets with the hard polycarbonate shell. It's not slippery either, and I've just washed my hands, so there's no slipperiness to this case at all. It doesn't feel like it's going to drop out of my hands or anything like that. And I do like the fact I got these little doors on the bottom. I really like that. So do I recommend this case? Definitely, guys. I definitely recommend this case, 100%. If you haven't seen my official case reviews, I'll leave a link here somewhere. What I've got coming up next is a couple of cases from Thespeedyouneed for the OnePlus 6. So you definitely want to hit the subscribe button down below and the bell notification icon. Give me a thumbs up. Remember to use the referral link down below. Share this video on all your social media, in all the OnePlus forums, on XDA, Facebook, Google+, Twitter, wherever. Helps other people out with the OnePlus 6, and it helps me out too. Anyway, until next time, this is Zilla saying take care, and I'll see you all again real soon. Bye for now.